almost 11 o'clock. Found out our freezer was frozen up again. The problem is this unit here. We cleaned the contacts up on it once before, but it's broken again. We ordered a new one and I have it. I just haven't had time to replace it, so now I get to replace it. Lots of fun. And yes, I made sure the power was off. There's no power in here anywhere. Fun, fun, fun. Well, here we are. It's 1:30 in the morning. So I got this thing changed, and that was good. But after I did that, the fans wouldn't come on. Fans that blow air down through here, and I don't know if the reason this thing stopped was because the fans didn't run or what. But I found where the fans are hooked up. I found where the wire ran, and I wasn't getting 100 volts to the fans. Don't know why. So a little bit of redneck engineering here. I just wired the 100 volts, drilled a hole through the side of the fridge here, the freezer, and ran it out here to a plug. Plug it in. Now I got fans running. I mean, it seems to me they ran almost 24/7 anyways, and at the very least this will let us get this up and running again, because we have several $100s worth of frozen food in there that's not going to be frozen very long if we don't get this thing back working. So we'll call the repairman on Monday and see what he says, but anyways, that's what I can do. Okay, so the breaker just got turned on and the unit is running. The fans are plugged in over there, so electrical. Now we're just going to wait to see if this thing cools off. We'll wait a few minutes here, see if we go. I can already see some frosties on it. Already getting cold. Oh, I guess I gotta button this thing up again and see if we get some temperature drop in here. Okay, we got it all back together. It's all running. Everything seems good. It's just under 15 degrees, blowing cold air. So now we're gonna wait for a while before we take everything out of the ice boxes and put it in here. We'll see if it goes down in temperature. Hope this works. It's an old fridge. It's probably getting on 30 years old. So freezer, I guess, and I really don't want to have to buy a new one. So hopefully this fix works. 4 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. Anyways, the fridge, it's at minus, I don't know, -5 right now, I think. Let's see if you can see that. Maybe a little more than that, -8. Freezer, I should say. It's not a fridge. I guess I fixed it. A little redneck engineering. We're gonna call the refrigeration guy, see if he can come and help us out with it on Monday. But we have a lot of fairly expensive frozen food in there that we have to keep frozen. So anyways, I stayed up till 4 in the morning because I wanted to make sure this damn thing froze stuff. So sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. See ya.
Morning. It's good afternoon actually. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. I've come back to the shop to check on the fridge or the freezer to see how it's doing. So let's take a look. Now, walking up to here, take a look. It feels cold. Well, that looks like -15 to me. So I guess that's fixed. I guess my drill a hole in the side and wire the fan in directly. System worked. For some reason the fans weren't getting 100 volts off the system. I don't know why. We're gonna phone the refrigeration guy on Monday and try to figure out why. So yeah, that seems to be fine. Everything seems to be good. Everything's nice and solid. I mean, the ice is, oh, there you go. Ice is fine. Doesn't look melted. Everything else in here, all the frozen food seems fine. So, problem averted. Thank goodness. Thanks for following along.